What if the real reason your marketing feels like a money pit isn't the clicks or the algorithms, but clarity? You post, you tweak your offers, you even pay for ads, yet the right clients still pass you by. Instead of seeing value, they're just seeing another option. So you drop your prices or you hustle harder. And that's just draining on your bank account and on your energy. You know what the truth is? An unclear brand can't stand out, no matter how many tactics that you try. Hi, I'm Friesen, and I'm a small business brand positioning strategist. And for over 22 years, I've helped service-based business owners and entrepreneurs just like you stop guessing and start growing. I've packed my proven brand positioning strategy process into my brand new No More Wasted Marketing Workbook, so you can follow it at your own pace. And no, this isn't just another theory book. It's packed with hands-on exercises that reveal your unique edge. Quick tips and checklists to keep you moving and motivated. Curated resources that you can dive into deeper for each phase. There's ChatGPT ready AI prompts to shorten your learning curve. And there's real-world case studies that show you the proven method in action. Simply complete one exercise at a time, and each piece locks into the next, like a GPS for your brand. For a short time only, you can grab my workbook for only $47 Canadian. That's over a 50% savings. So click the purchase button below, download your copy, and start building clarity that powers a profitable business. Picture yourself waking up feeling certain about the clients that you want to attract, about the fees that you will charge, and the message that positions you as the obvious choice. Or you can just keep on spinning your wheels like a hamster on a wheel and do some random marketing spends and participate in price wars. You deserve a brand that works as hard as you do. So hit the button, get your workbook, and let's turn wasted marketing into magnetic momentum before the price jumps up. So I'll see you on the inside.